Hello everyone, this is Chavi, and today we will continue with the same topic, Legislature, from the book Indian Constitution at Work. Beta, this is part 8 of this chapter. But before I start, I request you all to like, share and subscribe. Today we will talk about parliamentary committees, and the topic is given on page number 118 of your book with the heading, What do the committees of Parliament do? Beta, the Parliament committees are established to study and deal with various matters that cannot be directly handled by the legislature. There are basically two kinds of committees. First one known as standing or permanent committees, and the second ones are ad hoc committees. Now we will talk about these two committees in detail. Beta, since 1983, India has developed the system of standing or permanent committees. In this, the members elected or appointed periodically and they work on continuous basis. Beta, these committees supervises the work of various departments, their budget, their expenditure and bills. On the other hand are the joint parliamentary committees, which are a type of ad hoc committees. Beta, these committees are created when need arises and are dissolved after they complete the task assigned to them. Members of these committees selected from both the houses, including the Rajya Sabha and the Lok Sabha. Beta, these committees play a vital role not merely in lawmaking but also in the day-to-day business of the house. For example, studying the demands for grant made by various ministries, looking into expenditure by various departments, investigating cases of corruption, etc. This system has reduced the burden on the Parliament. And remember that the Parliament rarely rejects the suggestions made by the committees. So this is all about the Parliament committees. Now we will start with the last topic of this chapter, that how does the Parliament regulate itself? But a Parliament is a debating forum. It is through debates that the Parliament perform all its vital function. Such discussions must be meaningful and orderly so that the functions of the Parliament are carried out smoothly and its dignity is intact. The Constitution itself has made certain provisions to ensure smooth conduct of business. The presiding officer of the legislature is the final authority in matters of regulating the business of the legislature. But there is one more way in which the presiding officer controls the behavior of the members. You may have heard about the anti-defection law in your previous classes. But before directly understanding that what is anti-defection law, we will firstly understand that what is defection. Beta, if a member of the party remains absent in the house when asked by the party leadership to remain present, or vote against the instruction of the party, or even leaves the membership of the party, it is deemed as defection. Now the question arises that why this kind of defection arise? Beta, it can be happen because of promise of higher office by another party. The prime example of it occurred in 1967 when the independent MLA of Haryana, Gaya Lal, changed his alliance 3 times in a single day and gave rise to infamous expression Aya Ram, Gaya Ram, means Ram has come, Ram has gone. Just for stopping this kind of defection, in 1985, the 10th schedule was inserted in the constitution during the Rajiv Gandhi government, according to which legislators may be disqualified or lose membership on grounds of defection. Beta, the disqualification can be done by the speaker or the presiding officer of a legislature. This was done that no government was changed in the middle of its tenure and to ensure stability of a government. Now, you must be thinking that in spite of anti-defection law, why do we keep hearing of MPs change parties? For this, beta, you need to know that there is exception to the laws which allow changing parties without the risk of disqualification. There was provision made under 91st Amendment in 2003. If there is a split in the party and members from different groups forms and joins a new party, they were not considered disqualified. This kind of system you heard in the recent news also. You must heard about Maharashtra government formation drama. There was lot of talk on defection and anti-defection. So we will talk about all these examples in online session, and this is your home task. Please do it in your register. Have a nice day everyone. Stay safe and healthy.